Gangtok, the exotic capital of Sikkim. Gangtok is an epitome of neatness. The stunning panoramic views of snow-capped mountain is just amazing. It has a great potential for sightseeing, including Nathula and Changu Lake. To explore Gangtok, you will need local taxi or reserved car. Cabs are available near MG Marg and Deorali stand. They offer 3 standard sightseeing tour packages, 3-point, 7-point or 10-point. The spot which comes under 3.2 is Tashi Viewpoint, Hanuman Tok and Ganesh Tok. Cost for this tour will be 1000 to 1200 rupees. Spot which comes under 7-point is Banjhakri Falls, K Monastery, Flower Exhibition Center and Botanical Nursery along with the previous 3-point. Cost for 7-point will be 1500 to 1800 rupees. Now what comes under 10 points? Along with the 7 points, they will also take you to Rumtek Monastery, Namgyal Institute of Tibetology and Gangtok Ropeway. Cost for those 10 points will be 2000 to 2500 rupees. You can ask your driver to visit one point instead of another if the driver agrees. Sometimes you may need to pay a bit more for him to agree. So now I will be guiding you the entire tour plan for 10 points. Early morning, start with Rumtek Monastery. This is the largest monastery in Sikkim. It's located 24 km away from Gangtok at an altitude of 1500 meter. Next, you can go to Banjhakri Falls. It's one of the attractive tourist spots of Gangtok. It's a natural waterfall sourced from springs at higher elevation. Entry fee of the park is Rs 50. Next, move ahead to Ganesh Tok. Ganesh Tok is a small Ganesh temple located 7 km from Gangtok at an altitude of 6500 meter. The temple's viewpoint offers the visitors a panoramic view of the snow-covered Kanchenjunga and Gangtok city. After this, move ahead to Hanuman Tok. Hanuman Tok is a Hindu temple complex which is located in the upper reaches Gangtok. The temple is dedicated to Lord Hanuman and maintained by the Indian Army. After this, come back to Gangtok. On the way back, you will find one more attractive botanical nursery. The garden encompasses rare plant, trees and numerous species of flowers. A huge greenhouse has been erected in the garden where different varieties of orchids are grown. A concrete pavement across the garden leads to a beautiful waterfall inside the garden. It's an ideal place to take some beautiful snaps. Then visit Reach Flower Park on the way. It's a floral heaven. You will get varieties of orchid in this park. This flower exhibition center has a nominal entry fee of Rs 20. Next, move ahead to Tashi Viewpoint. Tashi Viewpoint is a perfect place to witness the brilliant surrounding of mountains, valley and Gangtok itself. Then you can go to Namgyal Institute of Tibetan Technology. It's an important reference center in the world of Buddhist scholarship. It houses a museum of Tibetan library and a general reference center of Tibet and Himalayas. After this, go to Inke Monastery. This monastery is 200 years old. It's located 3 km from Gangtok. At last, visit the ropeway. It's a great ride to view the whole of Gangtok, the valley and the peaks from far above. You can also visit Dodrul Koten Monastery. It's a stupa in Gangtok, but this is not included in the package. In the evening, go for a leisure walk to MG Marg and try some local cuisine, or you can indulge yourself in souvenir shopping. Next day, you can visit Changu Nathula and Baba Mandir. Link for Changu Nathula tour plan given in the description box. The best time to visit Sikkim is either between March and May or October and mid-December. Due to COVID-19, travel card is must to visit Gangtok. Link for travel card is given below in the description box. Travelers are also requested to carry RT-PCR negative test report to enter Sikkim. I have mentioned few hotels and resorts of Gangtok below in the description box. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back with next video soon. Stay safe, wear mask.